हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can remove or replace unwanted background from your photos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is download this app called Photo Room, and it is available on Play Store, so you can install it from there very easily. Now this is what the app looks like. There are a number of templates to choose from, as you can see, and there are a number of ways in which you can edit your photos as well. So let's select a photo from our phone and see how this app works. Let's go to gallery and select a photo. Let's select this one, and as you can see, the background of the photo is removed automatically. Now you can select from the large number of templates and choose whichever you want as the background. Their background collection is really vast. They have Christmas themes, podcast, magazine covers, Shopify templates, fashion, rainbow. I don't even know what kind of photos they'll have, but there's a vast variety of collection here. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you want to go ahead and buy the pro version, it's $9.99 for a year, and you can cancel anytime you want. So let's see what the pro version has. What different does the pro version have? I'm gonna take the same photo and we will edit it with the pro version. As you can see, there are a lot more options now for the background templates. It said 1000 plus templates, so yeah, there are a lot of options. Let's put this one on. So that's how the photo turned out to be. Looks good though. If you want pro version of this app for free, then join us on Discord. We give away various premium accounts, apps and tricks for free there. And with that, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?